Hello techies, this is lab 10.2.8 and we're going to replace a printer fuser. So the fuser unit or fuser assembly is a critical component of your laser printer. Using pressure and heat, it fuses the toner powder onto the page to create a print. Okay, so that is what we're going to be doing in this lab. So we have our printer. This looks like a HP printer, I guess. And so the first thing is to power off the printer. Remember, we have to follow the steps given here on the left pin. So let's go over here and discharge this power cord and then open the back cover. Open the rear duplex panel. That has been done, and then remove the replacement fuser from its packaging, and then here with the fuser removed you should inspect these and let's remove the fuser from the back, and we're going to replace the fuser in, then close back the back panel and then plug back the power, and let's go over here. So we'll start up the printer and see what we have. You can see it is showing ready to print, so task has been completed. We'll go ahead and answer the questions. When prepping a printer to replace the fuser, which of the steps should you first take? Power off the printer, wait 10 minutes and remove the power cord. And this is fuser, streaking, all of the above. Pressure, we go ahead and check our answers. Everything seems correct. If you found this video helpful, remember to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video.